Changing the currency in the Impact game is a straightforward process that you can easily accomplish. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure you're doing it correctly. First and foremost, it's essential to verify that your account's region is set accurately. This ensures that the official Top-Up Center website can automatically detect your country, display the correct currency, and provide you with local payment methods that are supported in your region. Once you've confirmed this, you can proceed to the Top-Up Center website. Here you'll find that it automatically adjusts to your country's currency and offers payment options that are tailored to your location. If you prefer, you can also navigate to the in-game shop, known as the COD shop. The official Top-Up Center website serves as the payment gateway for transactions made through the COD shop, ensuring a seamless experience. Even if you're billed in USD, paying with a credit or debit card should result in automatic currency conversion. This ensures that you're charged in your local currency, simplifying the process and avoiding any confusion. With these steps, you can easily change the currency for your Impact game transactions and enjoy a hassle-free gaming experience.